A, idealnie. To ja teraz powiem tak. Ja się nazywam Niklaus, światła, kamera, żywe trupy, epizod drugi, moi drodzy. Rozsiądźcie się wygodnie w fotelach, weźcie swoje ulubione napoje, zrelaksujcie się, a my kontynuujemy przygodę. Dobrze, ładnie? Mam nadzieję, że ładnie to zrobiłem. Tak. 5,54. Idealioza. Sezon drugi, przepraszam. Sezon drugi. Tak. Tak było. Importuję tutaj moje save'y. Sezon, epizod, tak. Wyraźnie mów. Do ciebie kangur nie, bo ty nie masz uszów. Kangury mają tylko torby. Slot muszę wybrać. Tak, to jest to. Wbiła mi się... Nie wiem, się igła...
Previously on The Walking Dead.
Patrzcie.
What's your name?
I'm Clementine.
You've been all by yourself through this?
I know who you are, and I know you're a killer. It's how the world works now!
Lee, are those bad people dead?
I hope you know what you're doing with her.
I got it! Molly said Crawford is the only place left in Savannah that still has people. That means it must be where my mom and dad are.
Okay, you can come, but you have to promise to stay quiet. Clementine? Clementine! Oh, no.
I know how to be a dad, you know. She wouldn't be exposed to what she has been with you.
To był zwyrol. To był zwyrol.
Lee, I saw my parents.
Come here, sweet pea. You have to shoot me, honey.
Lee, no.
Don't mean it, Krista.
No i tak się, moi drodzy, sezon pierwszy zakończył. No tragicznie. Tak to wyszło. Takie podjąłem wybory. Jestem za nie odpowiedzialny. Smutna scena. Smutna była. To tak. Ale żeby płakać... Bez przesady. Wszystko, co pozostało. Po angielsku pewnie było all it's left.
What do you think?
O, są.
Oh, Midge, you can't be serious.
Duży i mała.
I am.
We are not doing that.
Why not?
Because.
Come on, Krista. What's wrong with Omid?
We're not calling our baby Omid. One of you is enough. Clementine, a little help here?
Omid the second.
No.
Omid Jr.
Głupie, nie podoba mi się to.
But the vote's deadlocked.
Tamte mi się lepiej
Well,
podobało.
my vote counts for two.
That's not fair.
Are you going into labor soon? No? Then don't talk to me about fair. You're not taking this seriously.
I take everything seriously, especially little Omid's future.
Keep talking, and you'll be sleeping in the rain tonight. Remember that time in Barstow?
Vegas weekend? Why don't you, get cleaned up in the girls' room, Clem?
I hope the sink works in there.
I wouldn't count on it. Just be careful and make sure to keep track of your things. We'll be right next door.
Okay.
Tamtą fajnie wycisło bęben, nie? Chyba bliźniaki.
Hello?
A, teraz jest takie, nowe są te. A, jakoś mi się kurde bardziej podobał Jakoś mi się podobało bardziej ta stylistyka. Ten kursor jest fajny, ale bardziej mi się wydaje fajniejsza była stylistyka tych rzeczy do klikania w tym. W jedynce. Znaczy w pierwszym tym. Używała kalgony, tak.
Oh, gross.
Czekajcie. Dobra.
What's that?
To jest króliczek jakiś, ale chyba brudny. Generalnie podobno sezon drugi gorszy. Ale mnie noga swędzi. A! No to lipa, ale zobaczymy. No Delancey drugi sezon się bardziej podobał, także widzicie. Opinie są
Good.
zróżnicowane.
No one's here. Guess it's safe to get cleaned up.
Czekajcie, sorry. Muszę sobie wyciszyć telefonik, o. Dobra. Kranik. Ej, fajne odbicie, przeważnie odbicia w grach są ohydne. Ale wiecie, tutaj jest niewiele do renderowania, także... Także do zrozumienia to jest. Najlepsze były odbicia w GTA San Andreas. Masakra. Na spacji masz pauzę. Faktycznie. Nie wiem po co, ale może się przyda.
Better. Oh shit.
Ja tam teraz wejdę i tam będzie straszny zombie pewnie. A to nie tutaj mi się pokulało. Ty też nie tu? Jest.
You.
Ej, to jakaś obca. Obca murzyna. No nie! Nigdy nie zostawiaj giwery. Nigdy.
I see you.
Shit.
Get out of there. You're not fooling me.
Who are you?
None of your business.
Are you gonna hurt me?
Only if you're stupid. Get out here. You got anything on you?
Oddawaj
Come on,
Glocka.
let's see.
No, that's all I have.
That's it? How'd you make it this long? I'm serious. What else you got?
That's it.
Don't lie to me. I'll pop you. Give me what you got. I'm not screwing around. Come on.
I don't have anything.
Give me that hat.
No.
Nie ma mowy. O nie.
Where'd you get it? I asked you a question.
My dad gave it to me.
Just give it to me.
Nie.
Junk, junk, junk. Look at all this junk. Shit, shit, and more shit. Why you ain't got nothing good? Not like the last people.
Zaraz będzie Na
They
łeb.
had all kinds of good shit. That was a good catch. You ain't got nothing good. You're just a little fish. You gonna cry, little fish? This your daddy? What a bozo.
No chyba pojebało. Na pierwsze 5 minut gry.
I didn't mean to. I didn't mean to. I didn't mean
Co tu się dzieje?
Oh God. Homie, can you hear me? Homie.
Karwa. 2 trupy w parę minut. Shit. Same tragedie tej nocy, no. Dokładnie. Ło, jaki przeskok. To już się Bobo urodziło. Ale to moja wina, bo się nie zostawia broni i nie wychodzi do sracza. By nie zostawiła, to ta by nie wzięła i by nie zaszczeliła.
Krista, talk to me.
O, już jaka już jestem duża.
This will never work. Look at this. It's pathetic. The wood's too wet to burn. It's more smoke than flame.
What else can we do?
Find something that'll burn, maybe. I don't know. Won't be easy in the dark and in the rain. You should be doing this, not me. Tending a fire so you can cook and stay warm. It's something you have to be able to do, Clementine. Otherwise...
We can't stay in one place too long.
Cześć, Aga.
It's too dangerous. We
Ej, gdzie jest
need to keep
dziecko?
moving.
Chyba poroniła.
All we do, all we have ever done is move. But we never seem to get anywhere.
I'm freezing.
You think this is bad? Wait till we get up to Wellington. Then talk to me about cold. If we make it. We still have a couple hard months ahead of us. This rain will turn to sleet, then ice, then snow. It won't be easy.
It'll be better there, right?
Safer, maybe. So they say. But I don't know.
It has to be. I know it will.
We'll see. We just need to keep moving north.
I miss Lee.
I'm sure you do. I'm gonna go look for more wood. You just keep the fire lit.
Jak ją zara w tranżoli zombie, to miało z dupi. To już będzie masakracja. Dalej ten sam plecaczek. O. W sumie to ta myszka chodzi tak płynniej. To mi się fajniej podoba. No, Ken ze swoją Izdakiem świętej pamięci. Co to jest? Feuerzock. Ej, jakie dobre. Fajna mechanika.
Better, but still not enough. The flames are too low.
Tablica.
This won't burn.
To się powinno palić.
This
Subek!
won't burn.
Dzięki piękne. Dzięki piękne za subka, panie admin. Ja to tylko tutaj uzupełnię. Moi drodzy, wszyscy gadają. Dziękuję pięknie za subka, panie adminie. Polecam się na przyszłość, moi drodzy. Polecam ten styl życia. Na bogato.
This'll never burn. It's too wet.
Kurde, ale tu się nic nie będzie paliło, bo tutaj pada deszcz, dziewczyno. A jak pada deszcz, to wszystko jest mokre. Podsyć łogień. Kurde. What? Ej, bandyty idą.
Don't fucking lie to us! Who do you think you're fooling? Give us the truth and you don't get hurt! Fucking with me? Where's the rest of your group?
I'm by myself.
Bullshit! She's lying! Cut the shit, lady!
It's just me.
What the fuck?
Krista, run!
Hey!
Fuck.
Get the fuck over here! Now! Fucker! Come out here, girl. I'm not fucking around. Shit! Get the fuck over here!
LOL! Ej, nowe mechaniki.
Whoa! Jesus, are you fucking kidding me?
Fuck. Ej, fajne.
Leave me
Stop
alone!
fucking running! Quit squirming! Ah! Fuck! Ow! Ow! Let go, you little bitch! Jesus Christ! Ah! Come out of there! Ow! Fuck! Jesus, are you fucking kidding me? Come on! Kid, you are on my last fucking nerve! Stop fucking kicking!
Karwa. Kurwa, ile tu się dzieje, masakra, ej. To są pierwsze sceny, ja już jestem spocony cały. Tu się więcej dzieje jak przez połowę pierwszego sezonu. Holy shit. Masakra.
Hello?
Nie no, fajne. I fajny ten bajer z tymi unikami, nie? Prawo, lewo, dół. Zawsze coś nowego, nie? Ciekawe, co będzie w trzecim sezonie. Clem ma mieć 18 lat. O, to starodupa.
Krista, are you there?
Ale mnie coś tu rypie, tak, ała. O. Ła, 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 ła. Dzięki wielkie. Nie no, ja to w dobrym tym mówię, nie? W dobrej wierze. 18 lat, już 4 lata starsza ode mnie. To do mnie już staro. Staro żyć. Psisz. Ej, jak mam wąsa, to mogę tak se gładzić, tak, o tak, inteligencko, tak. I po brodzie, tak. Jak nie miałem, to nie mogłem. Cenię se to, chyba się nie golę. Przecież miałem taką wizję dzisiaj już. Laguje? Nie wiem, ode mnie się wszystko jest dobrze. A nie, mogłem tam zobaczyć znak. Mogę się jeszcze wrócić. Ach, już nie mogę. Jak laguje, to niestety nie z mojej winy. Ło, trochę bida. Samotnie w takim lesie dupnym, nie? z bandytami i z... Ło. Z bandytami i kurde z zombikami. Ej, jest szybsze łażenie wreszcie. Na shifcie. Zwierzę. Pies. Ze smyczą, obrożą.
It's okay, boy. It's okay. Sam. Well, nice to meet you, Sam.
Dzik.
What's he doing? Sam! Sam! Where
Ale
are you going?
realistycznie
Wait up!
szczeka, nie? Normalnie jakby prawdziwy pies szczekał.
Hello? Looks pretty run over, but you never know.
O,
Let's look around for some food.
a jak nie, to zjemy psa. Specjalnie wynajęli człowieka, tak. Papu.
Looks like they were a happy family once. I
Yeah.
hope they left some food behind somewhere.
I hope so.
Nothing edible.
Ale jest lalka. Plate.
Hey, wanna play? Wanna play catch? Okay, bring it back.
Czy my mamy czas na coś takiego seryjnie?
Good boy, Sam.
Hmm.
Empty. Better keep looking, huh, Sam? It's not much of a tent anymore. I bet scavengers tore it apart. Want to go again?
Super
Go get
zabawa.
it, Sam. I bet you miss this. I sure do.
Psy to są pozytywne, nie? Apokalipsa zombie. Ale za frisbee i tak pobiegnie.
What's the matter, Sam? Shh, we have to be quiet. Oh, God. Ugh. I am so sick of that smell. It's okay. He's dead.
Przecież dyszy.
Look, you can see the bite. Looks like he tried to cut it out. It's okay. We're smart, and he's not. We're smarter than all of them. Hey, it's okay, boy. Shh. He can't hurt us. Think he had himself tied up? Or did someone force him to do this?
Ten nożyk by mi się przydał. Very much.
That looks like it hurt.
Kijem.
Stand back, okay?
Będzie fajne. Ja bym jeszcze raz. Well. O,
See? We just have to stay out of their reach.
myślę, że już jest okej.
I like to think that if they were alive, they'd probably want to help you. Nothing. Still pretty sharp.
Mamy
At least we
knajfa.
found something useful. We won't go another night without food, okay?
W ogóle dzisiaj rano wychodzę do kuchni w gołych nogach, a tam pełno piasku. I nie wiem do dzisiaj skąd on się tam wziął. Normalnie całą podłogę zmiatałem, nie wiem, piasek. Skąd piasek? Chyba mi ktoś z plaży wchodził do domu w nocy. To dziwne, bo plaże to 500 km stąd. Chyba że z Hechła. Tam też są plaże.
No food here either.
A, bo burza piaskowa była.
Think anyone's been sleeping in here? I can't tell. Maybe we better not wait around to find out.
Myślę, że w takim ozdupionym namiocie to raczej nie śpią ludzie, no ale co ja tam wiem. Darudę za dużo, dokładnie. Sandstorm. I mi nawiało, no. I nawiało. Max, pogadamy?
Find anything yet?
Znaczy Max. Kolonko.
Well, here we go.
Sznupiemy w Hasioku. Jak prawdziwy Hasiosznub. Słynna
Oh my God.
prominiencja,
Thank you.
no, sztuka, którą pała się
Sam,
wielu
again.
mieszkańców Bytomia.
Let's see what's
Hasiosznupy.
inside. Please don't be bad.
Co to jest fanzola? Fanzola po bretońsku.
Thank God. I guess you're pretty hungry too.
O, masz,
Here you
żerej.
go. Hey, you don't eat it all.
Kurwa! Jaka ta gra jest straszna. O Jezu.
I'm sorry, Sam.
To jest gorsze od śmierci Murzyna na końcu tamtego. Masakra. Kurwa. Takiego obrotu spraw to się, powiem szczerze, nie spodziewałem. Tragiczny. Bardzo tragiczny. Tylko pies. Udowodnione naukowo jest, że w kulturze zachodu ludzie bardziej się martwią o zwierzęta niż o ludzi. I niestety tak mamy i tego się nie wyzbędziemy. Człowiek człowiekowi już spowszedniał. Ludzie nie lubią ludzi. Ludzie lubią zwierzątka. Tak to u nas jest. Ciepie mi się. O, super. Pozytywnie. Fajosko.
I'm out. Grab her. Let's go.
Come on, kid. We gotta get.
I think
I think we're safe.
Yeah, we're good. Hey, you all right?
I can walk.
Oh, was that so? 'Cause last time I saw you, you could barely crawl away from that lurker back there.
Czyhacz,
Look, you're in bad shape, kid.
czyhacz, żniwiarz, szwendacz, szperacz, dupiacz.
What are you doing out here?
Where are the people you're with? There's no chance you made it this long on your own.
I don't want them thinking we're doing anything but trying to help you.
I'm alone. Everyone I know is gone. It's just me now.
I'm sorry to hear that.
I just lost a sister. We've all lost folks.
Well, I'm Luke. And this is Pete.
Hey there.
Hi. I'm Clementine.
And it's nice to meet you, Clementine. And for now, we're gonna take you back to our group. Okay, we got a doctor with us, and you look like you could use some— Oh, shit!
What? What is it?
She's been bit, man. Fuck.
Fajnie,
Fuck. What are we
żeś
gonna
mnie
do here?
wydupczył.
No, it was a dog.
I didn't see any dog, Clementine.
Come on, kid. Look, we just saw you with those lurkers back there.
No, just look at it, please.
Yeah, and have you sink your teeth into Pete's neck? No way.
My neck? Why am I the one?
I don't know a dog bite from a mosquito bite from a lurker bite, man.
It's not.
All right. Let's see it.
Whoa, hey, watch yourself. Hey, don't look at me like that. You're the one that's bit here, okay?
See?
Is it like she says?
Well, it could be a dog. Hard to say. So where'd this dog go? The one that did this?
No, what does that matter, Pete? Seriously.
I killed it.
What? Really? A dog shows up and bites you and you just kill it?
What would you have done?
I don't know.
It attacked me.
Still, you don't kill dogs.
Lol, gościu, proszę cię.
Clementine?
Yes?
You telling us the truth? You looked me in the eyes when you answered.
Yes.
All right, Clementine. That's good enough for me.
Well, what else was she gonna say?
I've got a good bullshit detector, Luke. That's why you can never beat me at poker.
You don't always
Powinna
beat me
być
up.
odpowiedź nie.
Alright, how can you be sure?
Well, I'm sure I ain't willing to leave a little girl in the woods to die when we got a doctor with us that can make a call. We can have Carlos take a look at it first.
Nick ain't gonna like this. Not with what happened.
You don't have to remind me of that, boy.
Right. Sorry, sir.
Come on.
Come on.
Clementine, are you feeling all right?
I'm fine. Just tired.
Well, you better be fine. Because I ain't carrying you anymore with that bite on your arm.
Don't worry about.
Dupnie.
Oh, shit.
W ogóle ten gościu, co ma te dłuższe włosy, to on mi się kojarzy z jednym aktorem, tylko kurde, nie mogę sobie przypomnieć. Bo chyba se zacznę serial oglądać. Może coś, może fajny jest.
What? And you just believed her? You should have put her out of her misery right there. Dog bite my ass.
I need a dog.
Keep your finger off the trigger, boy.
Ja pierdaczę.
Whoa! What the
You
fuck?
idiot! Every lurker for 5 miles probably heard
You're the one
that.
telling me to fucking shoot her.
Everybody just calm down for a second.
Clementine, you okay?
I just need a doctor. And then I'll go. I don't want my arm to get infected.
None of us want to get infected. That's the point.
We got a doctor right here, okay? He'll have a look. Now what the hell is wrong with you people? Okay, she's just scared.
We're all scared, Luke. Don't act like we're the ones being irrational because we don't buy this bullshit story.
No way she survived out here on her own. Why are we even arguing about this?
Let me take a look.
Zaś jakiś... Omar. Albo inny. Abdul.
It's okay. Go ahead, he's a doctor.
Damn, that must have hurt.
No, panie Murzynie, of course it did. Jamesa Franco, kurde, nie wiem, który to, potem muszę obejrzeć na Google'u.
Whatever it was, it got you good.
This isn't how we do things, man. When you're bit, you get put down. End of story. I'm not going through this again.
No one's suggesting that.
We could take her arm off.
Nie,
I know that worked for a cousin down in Ainsworth. We could try that.
nie ma mowy.
It won't do any good.
Nie ma
You'll
mowy.
just be making it worse
Murzynowi
for
nie
the
dałem.
girl.
It's crazy. No one's gonna...
You don't want to do something you're gonna regret. Better to be sure, right?
Come on. She weighs about as much as a sack of flour. We could take her if it comes to that.
Who's she?
Sarah, what I say, stay inside.
Sarah.
I don't mean to be any trouble. I just want to stop the bleeding and then I'll go. You'll never see me again, I promise.
And where exactly would you go?
I can take care of myself.
Nie, to nie ten chyba. Kurde,
Look, I
kiedyś
don't know what the
znajdę.
hell took a bite out of her, but still, she's just a kid. Worst case, she turns, and we can deal with it.
So, what do you think? Was it a lurker?
A bite like that could be anything. Only one way to find out.
How?
We wait.
What?
By tomorrow,
Wiem, kogo on mi przypomina. Chociaż w tym momencie już nie. On mi przypominał momentami tego, co w Piratach Karaibów grał tego... Nie Sparrowa, ino tego drugiego, takiego wąsika miał. Wiecie, o kogo
morning
chodzi.
if the fever set in, we'll know if she's gonna turn. In the meantime, we can lock her in the shed.
What about my arm? It needs to get cleaned and stitched and bandaged.
The girl is in bad shape, Carlos.
We have all that stuff
Orlando
inside the
Bloom,
cave.
o!
We could probably get by
O!
with it.
O!
Please.
To Tyn.
But yeah, we can't do nothing.
I'm not wasting supplies on a lurker bite. If it turns out you're telling the truth, I'll clean it and stitch it up for you in the morning.
But
Fajna ta pauza.
I'm sorry. It's the best we're gonna get.
Finger off the trigger, son.
I ain't your son.
Don't be like that, man.
It's all right. Boy's got his mom's temper.
Come on.
This is just a waste of time. You'll see. And when she turns, I ain't gonna be the one cleaning up the shed.
it was a dog. You'll see.
I guess we'll find out in the morning.
If I last that long, maybe you could go look for it?
I wish I could. I really do, but it's too risky. Sorry.
Czemu ta flinta mu tak pływa w rękach? Coś jest nie tak.
Why are we doing this? Fucking dumb. Because it's safer this way, and I'd rather be sure. Yeah, safer.
I can't believe this. You're gonna be fine. You're gonna be fine.
Śrubsztak. Czuję, że będziemy uciekać stąd. Motek. Bardzo pozytywnie.
Not much left in here. I guess if I have to, I can use this for stitches.
To idzie rozwalić.
They have a doctor. He's gotta have stuff for stitches.
Lol, i ja zamiast czekać, to ja będę się włamywała do domu, żeby ukraść od doktora nić do zszywania. Ja tu zakończę ten odcinek na YouTube'a. Moi drodzy, zostawcie łapkę w górę. Widzimy się w kolejnych, bo tutaj jest tyle emocji, że aż muszę pauzę zrobić.